Hey everybody, and welcome to a new video. I told you guys on my social media channels that I was going to do a unboxing video, I guess you could call it, for the TRON Lightcycle RUN backpack and light disc. Well, here I am. I got them right here. Here is a look at said light disc, identity disc. Why am I saying light disc? I guess because it lights up. But yeah, here's the identity disc, and I think I'm going to save this for the last part of the video because this will probably be the most in-depth part. What I will start off with is the backpack, which, as you can guys see here, I got it last night at Magic Kingdom, and so yeah, not much to it. It's a fairly simple backpack. As you can see, the part where the identity disc hooks on is right here, and there's a button here in the middle that you push, and you can see kind of right here there's a little notch that goes down that releases it when it locks on. And then on the back side here it says TRON on this armband, and then it also says TRON, see if I can get there, on the inside of the backpack. It's also got like this, guess, kind of ribbed kind of padding to it. And then as far as storage, this was the one thing that kind of I was kind of disappointed with in the backpack, is the lack of compartments. There's nothing on the outside. The identity disc doesn't open as a pocket. There's a little keychain hook here on the both shoulder straps. But as far as the inside goes, it's just one. The interior's got this kind of grid TRON pattern to it. But like I said, as far as storage goes, there's no like laptop sleeve on the, you know how usually on the inside of a backpack you'll see like a laptop sleeve back here? There's nothing. And there's no side pockets. It's just one giant backpack. That's all it is. There's not much. If you're a person that loves like 6,000 pockets to put all sorts of stuff in, this I don't think is going to make you happy. But I did a little searching on Amazon, and they have these like inserts. They're like backpack organizers. I'm gonna try it with this because I am going to wear this kind of around and about. But they sell like backpack organizers, and it's basically a thing you drop into the backpack, and it adds like dividers, and it even adds a laptop sleeve to just if you have like a regular backpack. So maybe I can do a follow-up video when I get that. It's on Amazon. I'm going to order it and see how that goes. But yeah, fairly simple backpack. And then it's got this kind of honeycomb stuff that you see kind of all over TRON and everything around the bottom here. The zippers don't really say anything special on it. So anyways, there's a look at the backpack. Now I will get into the identity disc, which hooks onto the backpack. So let's get into that. So, all right. Here is the identity disc, which, by the way, I forgot to mention, backpack is $54.99, $55 for the backpack. And the identity disc that works with the backpack is $69.99. So this is $70 and that's $55. So you're looking at, I'm horrible at math, like what, like $130 for both. It is a Bluetooth speaker, so you can hook it onto the backpack and play all sorts of cool music. As you can see on here, it connects to the identity disc backpack, which I mentioned. And then it says light change colors. There's different types of chips you can buy. Let's see if I can remember here. There's Sam, Cora, Rinsler, and there's one other chip that you can buy in the stores. And you put that chip inside the identity disc, and it lights up that color, and it makes, I guess it talks like them. It makes, it has voice clips from them and all that sort of thing. And then it says it interacts with the identity chips, emotion activated, lights and sounds, and it is a Bluetooth speaker. As far as power goes, it is not USB rechargeable. Unfortunately, this is the kind of one thing with this that I wasn't too happy with. Is it requires, I think it says down here, yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it says, my camera will focus, it won't, 4 AA batteries that go into this for it to work. So I'm gonna take a minute here, pause the video. I'll be right back. I'm going to take it out of the box and show you guys what it looks like and sounds like. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay. Well, there's a few of the sounds it makes. It is motion activated. I'll start off with that. So, I'm going to try and hold this still so I can talk about it. But yeah, here's a look at the identity disc. This is my first time for me, first time I have turned it on. As you can see, it lights up really bright. You've got LEDs on the inside ring here. Lights on the outside. Lights up pretty cool. I apologize. You know what? I don't think there's like a silent mode. No, there's not. I'm just going to move it very carefully. You can see right here, this is where you can put in the different chips. Hello. This is the little slot right here where you can put on the different chips that I mentioned, the Sam, Cora, Rensselaer, and there's one other one. I can't remember what it was, and it's bugging me. But here's the button down here. Oh, where'd it go? I lost it. Right here. Here's the button you can push to give it sounds. It sounds pretty good. And I'm guessing I'm guessing that's also because it is a Bluetooth speaker, so it's probably got at least decent speakers in it. So, and then there is a power switch here on the back. Excuse me, right there. You can switch between on. This is off. Oh, this is in Bluetooth mode because my laptop just picked it up. So let me see if I can sync it up to my phone here really quick, and we can test out the Bluetooth part of it. It is called Identity Disc on your Bluetooth devices when it shows up. That's a happy sound. All right, so it is paired. So let me see if I can find some music here. I don't know if I'll get a copyright hit for it doing this video, but why not play some, let's find some Tron here. Oh, and it lights up all crazy too. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it see the reds and the greens and everything. Let me hold it back here. So there's the sound. Not the greatest speakers, but not terrible. But that gives you an idea of it syncing up as a Bluetooth speaker. Now, let me get the backpack up here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's stuck on my chair here. There we go. Okay, this is my first time doing this, so please bear with me. Here's the backpack, and I believe it just kind of twists on there. See if I can do this. There it goes. And it should, yeah, it's locked, it's on there. So that's what it looks like when it's hooked onto the backpack. And it does kind of, you can still kind of rotate it, kind of do that with it. It's on there, it's not going anywhere. And like I said, to release it, you just hit this button in the middle right here, and it comes right off. So I'll show you. See, it snaps on there pretty good. You don't have to turn it or anything. It's just you push it on, and it locks on there. So, anyways, there's a closer look at it on the backpack. Looks really freaking cool. I mean, it's all show. That's all this thing is. It's show and tell. It's really cool. It's definitely for the Tron nerd like me. And then it comes off, so you can have it on your backpack. You can blast some music with the Bluetooth speaker from your phone and just nerd out Tron style. So, anyways, there it is on the backpack. Take it off, and you can play your music wherever you want to go. So, anyways, like I said, it's $55 for the backpack, and then it's $69.99 for the Light Disc Bluetooth speaker. And it is a Bluetooth speaker, which is kind of cool. So if you're a Tron nerd and you want to cool, and the other thing is it's pretty solid. It's a pretty solid build quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It actually feels really good in your hand. Excuse me. So it's got really good, and it does take, like I said, this is the battery compartment right here. You got a screw here. Now, it looks like this whole bottom section right here comes off, and it does take 4 AA batteries. I'm going to try and find some good rechargeable batteries to put in here. So basically it kind of is rechargeable, but not, just to kind of keep some batteries in it. So, but anyways, snap it back on there. And so there you go. That's it. That's, I think it's cool. Like I said, I think my only issues were with the backpack. There's not a ton of storage. It's literally one pocket. So if you're looking for a backpack that has, you know, all sorts of pockets and storage compartment, it's not going to be that. But like I said, I am going to try this organizer thing on Amazon. You slide it down in the backpack and it gives you little compartments and even like a laptop iPad sleeve. So I'm going to try that with it as well. And like I said, maybe I'll do a follow-up video, you know, if you guys are interested in that thing, and show you how it works in this backpack, because I don't even know if it'll fit. It's a decent sized backpack. It's probably your typical size backpack just by me kind of looking at it, like your school backpack or something like that. All right, guys, so that's it for my first impressions, unboxing thoughts on the TRON Lightcycle RUN, just TRON, I guess if you want to call it, backpack, and identity disc. So if you guys have any further questions about it, let me know in the comments. I'll try and answer them the best I can. Disney completely knocked it out of the park with just TRON merchandise in general. When you go into the store in Tomorrowland, and it's just they completely they knocked it out of the park with TRON merchandise. I was like a kid in a candy store with all this merchandise. So anyways, like I said, if you guys have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. If you're here, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. And yeah, take care, be safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.